Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Invideo AI on your phone. If you have been looking to enhance your video editing with AI powered features, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open App Store. Once you are in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Invideo AI and search for it. The apps will pop up as one of the first results. Tap on this Get button next to the app icon. If it asks you to confirm with your Apple ID or Touch ID, just follow the prompt and confirm. Wait for a few minutes. Once it's finished downloading, you can either tap Open directly from the App Store or you can go back to your home screen and find the Invideo AI icon right there. Tap to launch the app and get started. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and set up Invideo AI on your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notification for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.